In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add context to a custom field in Jira. Whether you're managing projects or diving into deep system configurations, understanding how to tailor Jira's capabilities to fit your workflow is crucial. Adding context to a custom field helps ensure that your Jira environment is as effective and efficient as possible. Now let's walk through the process step by step so you can master this task with ease. First, you're going to start by navigating to Jira's settings. Take a look at the top right corner of your Jira dashboard. Here, you'll see the settings icon. Click on it to open up the main settings menu. This is your gateway to the full customization power of Jira. From there, you need to direct your attention to the Issues section. Go ahead and select Issues and then proceed to click on Custom Fields. This area is where you can manage all the fields that make Jira work for you. Next, once you're in the Custom Fields section, you can easily search for the specific custom field you want to modify. Make sure you know the name or type of the field you're interested in, as there might be several fields listed, especially in a well-used Jira instance. With your field in sight, the next step is to bring out additional settings by clicking the or More Actions drop-down. From there, you'll want to select Context and Default Value. This is the section where the magic happens, where you can start personalizing how your custom fields behave. Now that you're in the right spot, you'll need to click on Edit Context. This will bring you to a more detailed view where you can specify the context for your field. Locate the Choose Applicable Context section. This section represents the heart of customizing field behavior, as it allows you to dictate under what conditions or projects this context applies. It's important to decide the context type that best suits your needs. You'll have a couple of options here. You might opt for a global context, which applies the field across all issues, or you might choose to apply it only to issues under selected projects. Your choice will depend on how specific or broad you want this context to be. Finally, after specifying the context, you can wrap things up by clicking on Modify. This step confirms your changes and ensures that your context settings are saved. And just like that, you've added context to a custom field in Jira. Now with these adjustments, your Jira configuration should better align with your team's needs, helping maximize productivity and reduce downtime. Thanks for tuning into this walkthrough. Keep practicing these steps to become seasoned at managing Jira settings and enjoy the enhanced control over your projects.